Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create this about section. We're going to be adding some text on the right side and an image on the left. I'll show you how to add this image and also how to add two shapes behind it and how to round the corners for the image and the shapes. So let's get started. Okay, first, I'm going to create the about section. For that, I'm going to need a white background. For that, I'm going to use a shape and change its color to white. Next, I'm going to move it down so that it has some distance from the services section. Next, I'm going to add an image. I'm just going to drag and drop that. I've already put a few images on the side. I'm going to select one from those. And next, I'm just going to resize it. Next, I'm going to align it so that it's in the center. Then I'm just going to round the corners. And you can do that by clicking the circle on one of the sides and then just dragging it in. Next, I'm going to create a shape that is the same size as the image, and I'm going to round the corners. But to make them the same, I can go to the right side and put in a number that I think is right according to the image. Then I'm going to change the color. I'm going to make it lighter, and I'm going to drag, and before I release, I'm going to press the Alt key and release to duplicate this. And then I'm going to change this color. Now I need to bring my image forward. To do that, I just need to drag the layer above the other two shapes. Next, I'm gonna need a title. Since I already made that, I'm just gonna drag and drop it above the other layers. And now we have a title. If you want to make this, it's simple. Select the T, create a text box, type in the name. There are options on the right side. Just change the font size, make it bold, and change the fill. That's it. Now I'm just gonna put in some dummy data. Since I'm gonna need more data, I'm gonna use a plugin here. I'm gonna use this one. I just need to type in the number of words and then select whether I want words, sentences, or paragraphs. And that's it. So we are done with our about section. I hope you enjoyed that. This was a super simple example of how to make an about section. Like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.